Right there, just put it there. Put it flat, Shar. Whoa. Oh. Here, you want another one? You can put it on the other one. Whoa, you did that. What do you want?
The yellow one.
So she got it. Let's let it go, Shar. It's gonna spin fast. All right. Good job. Let's go.